I will show you how to use if-else statements in Golang. If this is the first time you meet, my name is Felix and welcome to my channel, Felix the Dev. I am a software developer, computer programming teacher, and coach. I have a bachelor's degree in computer science, and my passion is to help people like you learn how to code, and computer science students complete their degrees. So if you would like videos like this one to help you in your journey as a computer science student or someone learning how to code, then click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video. Also, click on the little bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload. So, the first thing that we're going to do is copy this code following our series, the project that I created from the first video as part of our series of Golang for beginners. So we're going to create a folder and we're going to call it if statements. Then we're going to go ahead and create another file, and that file is going to be called main.go. Okay, and we're going to grab the code from the hello world exercise that we did and paste it right here. Then we're gonna get rid of this, and there we go. So what are if-else statements? And if-else statements are also known as conditional or branching structures, and what they allow us to do in any programming language that you can use them is to go ahead and make decisions in our code. So if we're gonna make decisions based on conditions, if statements are great for that. So that's a use case for them. So the first variety of if-else statements in Go is the if statement. It's just like this. So you have if condition and a set of curly braces. Very simple. And what's going to happen is that if the condition that's evaluated here is true, then it's going to go ahead and run the code inside this block. So that's how you use a if statement and how you write it in Go. Now the second type of statement that you can use in Go of if statements is the if-else statement, which you just go ahead and type the word else, and it has to be next to this this closing bracket of the if. If not, it's not going to work. So as you see, it turns into another color, into blue instead of purple, because it's not correct. So it has to be like that. And how it works is pretty easy. So if the condition on top, that right here that we're evaluating, is true, then it's going to go inside this block. However, if it's false, then we will run the code inside this block. So that's another type of if statement. It's the if-else statement. And now, if you want to evaluate more conditions, then you can also do something known as the if-else if statement, which is just by right here, or we can do it right here, which is just adding the word else if, and what's going to do is going to evaluate another condition. And if it's true, the first one, then it's going to run the code inside this block. If it's false, but this one is true, then it's going to run the code condition is true, run the code inside this block. So the else if statement is a way of evaluating more conditions. And the great thing about this is that we can go ahead and copy this and keep evaluating as many conditions as we need. So we can have condition 3, condition 4, and at the bottom, which is something I like to do, but it's not required, and you'll see in the example, is have an else statement, which is going to go ahead and catch the condition that is not true from the top. So if none of these conditions were true, so if the first one wasn't true, the second one, the third one, so by default the the condition is going to be evaluated, it's going to be caught by the else statement, or all the conditions or cases that don't fall on the if or else if conditions. So that's another way, the else if condition, which is just used to add and evaluate more conditions or cases. So let's do an example. So for our example, what we're going to do is we're going to write a program that's going to determine who won a race, and it's going to evaluate the place that a contestant placed after the race was over. So if it was for place number 1, it was first place, then it will display a message that it will say you won and you are first place. Then if the place was 2, then it's going to display a message saying that you are second place. If it was 3, it's going to say that, displaying a message that you placed third place. If it was 4, then display another message. It's going to keep going evaluating till the 5th place. If it wasn't in one of those first 5 places, then it's going to display a message that's going to say you are not in the top 5. So that's our example that's going to be today. So for that, we're going to declare a variable. It's going to say place. That's going to be the name. And we're going to initialize it to 1. And if you would like to learn more about variables and how to declare them, how to use them in Go, then check out the video I have on that. It's going to be the info cards, so you can learn more how to use variables. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to start evaluating our conditions. If place is equal to 1, then we're going to display a message that we're going to say you won, you are first place. Now we're going to add another condition. If else if place equals 2, then we're going to copy this and say, then we're going to say you are second place. And we're going to do the same thing for if place equals 3. You are third place. We do else if place equals 4. You are fourth place. And we're going to do the 5th place, else if place equals 5. Just paste it again. You are 5th place. Now we're going to write our else statement, which is going to say you are not in the top 5. So this can be all the places that went 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and so on. So that's why I like using an else statement, because it's going to catch all the conditions, all the places in our race that were not in the top 5. So this is a way that you can see the useful about if statements, because you can start in evaluating a lot of conditions. So let's go ahead and run this. So in our atom runner, we see you won, you are first place. And this is true because we initialize it to 1. So, and it fell into our first condition. It said if place equals 1, which is true, then you won, you are first place. So let's change it to 3. Let's change it to 2. You are second place. So it went ahead and it evaluated that place equal to 2, so you are second place. So we can do this with 4. We see you are 4th place. We can do it with 5. You are 5th place. So, as you see, that's how it works. Now, I want to ask you this question, guys. If we put $10 as our place, then what will be the output? I know I briefly described it previously, but I want to see if you're following the tutorial. So drop in your comments below. If place equals 10, what will be the output of the program? So drop your answer in the comment section of this video. So let's see if you got it right. So type in your answer in the comment section. And the opportunity of the week for this video is going to be the Global Teletherapy Scholarship. The prize is $1,000. The deadline is October 3rd, 2019. And the link in the description for requirements to apply and more information on the scholarship. So you can check out the link on the description of this video. This video is not sponsored by the company that hosts this scholarship program. It's just an opportunity that came my way. I wanted to share with you guys, since a lot of college students watch my videos, and you never know, you might win it and it might help you fund your degree. So if you like this video, click on that thumbs up button. Also share this video with a friend and click on that subscribe button so you don't miss a video, because I post videos every week to help you as a computer science student or someone learning how to code, like videos like this one. And click on the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload, and you'll receive those videos to your phone or to your computer directly to you. So go ahead and click on that bell icon. And if you would like to support the channel, check out the Ko-fi page. It's going to be on the screen. Also, I'm going to have a link on the description. And I thank you so much, and I appreciate it. Thank you for the support. And if you would like a book to use as a reference while learning Go, then you can check out the book recommendations section of this video. And there's some books there that if you purchase them via those links, it's going to help the channel, support the channel at no extra cost to you, because they're affiliate links. So you can check that out as well. So thank you guys, thank you for the support, and I will see you on the next video. Have a great rest of your week. Take care.